First at 6, Taunton's mayor tries to flip the script in her domestic assault case, claiming she was the victim. Mayor Shaunna O'Connell plans to raise a self-defense argument in her upcoming trial. Good to have you with us tonight. I'm Patrice Wood.
I'm Gene Valicenti. She's accused of beating and biting her husband in July. The I-Team's Brian Crandall follows up with new developments tonight. Brian?
Gene and Patrice, Mayor O'Connell's assault trial could happen as soon as next week. In court documents we've obtained, O'Connell claims her husband was the aggressor after she confronted him about another woman. With her trial looming, Taunton Mayor Shaunna O'Connell files her intent to claim self-defense. O'Connell was arrested in July, accused of hitting her husband Ted with a small metal tool and biting his arm. The mayor now claims in a sworn statement that she confronted her husband that night about another woman after pictures circulated on social media and at work at City Hall. O'Connell claims her husband detailed his infidelity and it was, quote, upsetting and traumatizing. She states they got into a heated argument, but claims when he became aggressive and threatening, she said she would call police, and says his arm, quote, reached around my neck violently, so I bit his arm to get away, and that he grabbed her left arm, quote, causing a massive bruise, which she includes a photo of in the court documents. The mayor states, I did not batter my husband at all or with any object, and says her husband told her he hurt himself working on a boat that evening. Despite now blaming him, O'Connell states in the court document, my husband and I love each other. We both regret what has happened in our marriage, and we have moved on and put everything behind us. This was them leaving court together in July.
I apologize for calling the police. I apologize to my wife and the people at Taunton. It was a huge mistake.
But prosecutors want Ted O'Connell's 911 call to use as evidence. A transcript of the call in court documents states he told the dispatcher, I'm trying to leave. My wife won't let me. She's hit me a bunch of times. I got bit. She's going to hit me with a pry bar again. Prosecutors also want to use officer body camera video from the scene, in which they say O'Connell's husband shows an officer video of the mayor refusing to let him leave, sitting on his car, and not responding to his accusation of prior assaults. O'Connell's lawyer does not want the body camera video and the 911 call admitted as evidence. Now, Taunton police denied our records request months ago seeking the officer body camera video. We have an appeal pending with the state on that. O'Connell also claims in court documents police charged her husband in October 2023 with assaulting one of their daughters. Taunton District Court clerks told me they don't have any cases on him, and police have not responded to my questions about it. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.